Hello, fam. Hello, beauties. How are you? I hope you're okay. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending on your location. Okay, so guys, today's video I will be taking you guys to my garden. Yes, my farm is close to me here. I learned that the corn are ready and due for pluck, so I want to quickly go and plug them, and see what I can do with them. I got to cook it and eat it and cook beans and also roast if I want to. Okay, by then, once I am done, I'll go and pick my kids. From then, I will now look for pear or coconuts that I'll use and eat the corn. Okay, so now let's go to the farm. All right, let's go. The breeze is too much. Before then, I have my sack bag and my knife. I use it and harvest them. Okay, so I think I'm okay. Don't mind me. It's my other phone that is here, and the breeze is too much. The weather is calm. Okay, so I think I'll take this thing to the other side so that breeze happy para for. Okay, let's take it inside. So let me just leave it here. Okay, that place is okay. So, let's go. This my vegetable is growing so well. So my security guy has weed them for me. He just remove the bad grass that are under the vegetable and set them in order. So as you can see. So I want to quickly go to the other side and get some corn. So if I've watched this my video up to here, please subscribe to my channel. My husband went and brought plantain, yeah, and banana. So he brought like 6. The other 4 was in our other side. Was the place that we brought in. So he has to put some of these things there. So we are trying to see if we can use that place as plantation. Let's just see how safe that place will be with this one that he kept there, and see if we'll continue next year. Okay, so for now the corn are doing well and the maize are also doing very well. Hey. Bless the people they come here. Okay. Hi. Hi, even for inside. Hmm? Thank you. Abi? Because it's still early. Abi. Oh, yeah, can wear again. I wear them some. No, na vegetable in the top. Eh? Can we sing? Eh, oh, can you make vegetable? And we need water. Open this one. Now wait till they sell am. Open am. Eh. I'm going when the car have one by the also. But ke munde ke ntakira na nde na na-epili shi ndị nke onye o ji onye ọ gwara m si na ọ dry ga dry enwere m ihe a na-eshi ka m na-eshi nshi ga-eme aga-akpọtawa ma nshi ga-eme aga-akpọtawa ma ha na school. How to select those tiny ones can Let me see if I can bring another vegetable. So as you can see back there, the outside guys, they're helping me to move the back of the cassava. Okay, and I was even lucky to see them. Then I have to enter the bush again and bring out some vegetables because I can't leave them there. They'll just rest. Okay, so I have to bring them out. I gave my husband my phone to video me. If you see what this man is talking about me, oh God, this man is just gossiping about me. How he turned me to a village woman, this and that. That's hard. Me that don't like entering inside bush now enter bush with full force. I said, okay, oh no, wahala. Na wetin love they do. Love don't carry me. They enter bush. Love don't carry me. They enter where I don't know. Okay, see the guys. They're just helping. They're just helpful. These people are very very hard work. As you know, this is the first vegetable that I was able to get before. I have to add it with the other one in my left hand. So that is it. We are going to eat another vegetable. Okay, yes. So and my sister-in-law came. Yes. So she's gonna take some. Okay, and go. Like that is it. But I'm very very happy. At least the things that I cultivate really grow. That means I am fertile and the land is also fertile. Okay. Look at my beautiful farm now, man. If it's not for the help of my security guy, how dare I go? Who go send me go farm now? Okay, we are going home. Yeah, they're going home. They're taking it to the house. Okay, immediately they are back, they video them. So that's my house over there. That's my house. Don't mention. I know I'm living in the center of bush. Don't mention. They're taking the stuff to me. Yay! So I love it like that. Okay. So guys, see my products now. See my products. See my vegetables. See my corn. I've already divided the corn. Okay, the security guy to those boys, they took their own, and I gave some to my sister-in-law. Okay, so this is the one I'm gonna cook. Okay, yes, I'm going to cook this one on fire. As this like this now. Cook it. The vegetable is just for vegetable. I'll use it with my rice. Yes, that is it. Okay, so this is my pot. That pot you're seeing there is very very big. Yes, so that is that. Oh, I'm just enjoying this place that I am now. Before everywhere will open, I'll eat the thing that is in that bush. Of course, now let me just enjoy myself now that I'm living in the bush. Do you think it's easy to live in the bush? In the bush, you get everything natural, everything, you know. So that is why you have to take the bull by the horn, but so let me just be eating all these things fresh. Let me put them on fire. But this my cassava is lovely and very soft too. At least golden can eat these ones that doesn't have much corn in it. All these ones that are like you have teeth. This is pot of maize. Yes, I'll add water as well. Okay, corn is done. All right, I have to buy pear. I didn't see coconut, so I saw pear and I am going to eat it with this pear. Okay, it's okay, good. That's nice. See my phone now, very soft. Make sure that it's very very soft. So I'm still eating my corn like yes. So I'll just eat it to my satisfaction. Okay. Yes. Thank you for watching me. Okay. Yes. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.